So the last step is to go up and do the water treatment on this chimney. SaverSystems has two different options. We do have the ChimneySaver Water-Based, our original water repellent. Then we have ChimneySaver Advanced. The Water-Based is good for initial treatment. It gives better bond to the brick. The Advanced is great for your retreats, or if you're on a maintenance program where you're coming back, if you got to go back in a couple years and you notice it's not repelling as well, the Advanced goes on an existing water repellent that is already applied. You can also use a leaf blower and blow them in, give it a little bit deeper penetration. Not required, it's just a suggestion we make to get it in deeper into the brick, which just gives you more repellency power on the brick. Today, it is a chimney that has not been treated, so we will treat it with ChimneySaver Water-Based for this chimney. So best practices when you're water repelling a chimney is to soak the roof down or put some type of an absorbent pad around it to absorb the ChimneySaver. If you do get some ChimneySaver on the roof, your best bet is to waterproof the entire roof, because you will have bits and specks of the water repellent that will repel the water. When you're spraying the ChimneySaver, it's best to start at the bottom and overlap as you go up. And what this does is it gives you a flood coat, and it will actually give you two coats in one as you're working your way up. After you do your water repellent, best practice is to spray the roof down again. Come down, get all your equipment off the roof, take your sprayer, rinse it out, clean it out. Don't leave ChimneySaver inside your sprayer. Then take your ladder down, and that's all you got to do for the job.